Hatchmaster 308 here once again, and I've AR'd my AK.
Shall I cut? Oh!
Not that precise. Who cares? It's gonna be inside. It's cosmetic. The drill went a lot faster than the Dremel tool. I have a serious inquiry to Magpool basically, and anyone else who's actually cut their little handguard retainer off. Why? Like, this thing is still structurally sound, and the handguard retainer drops right through that. The little clamps won't interface with the back of it. It actually makes it on there more soundly. I'm going to show you in a second here, but this took about an hour of my time with a Dremel cut off and a drill, and it's going to fit on there just fine. Here's the handguard retainer, and here's the bottom side. You can see it poking through there. It's retaining this handguard because the front cap is gone, and it works out for me. We got the Surefire Warden on there with the Surefire muzzle brake, some Slate Black Industries rail covers where I dremeled off too much metal so it looked goofy, and the Magpool Sookah. This is the full-size handguard. Don't put that on under a 13-inch barrel. You're gonna blow up. And then we got some US Palm mags, I believe they are, the translucent ones. They look beautiful. You can see my nasty work on the inside. Chop some stuff off to get that Warden to fit inside there, and I have an adapter as well, extra evil. Magpool grip, same old Moisen wrench holding the single point sling, and I got the tail hook brace on here now, which this is actually much easier to use than the other brace. That's pretty good. There it is. We're gonna go shoot it. Single-handed. Perfect. Oh, the ratchet here.
That's awful. Unless I load another mag. Shit.